start.
I am H.S. Sharma, science graduate from Banaras University, 1959, B.Tech from IIT Bombay, first batch, 1959-63, M.Tech from England in nuclear engineering. I have come here to attend recycling seminar instituted by FICCI. My views are straightforward. Ground reality, what is the ground reality in my country? Americans are dumping plastic bottle on Delhi, Chennai, Uttarakhand and Surat. Germans are dumping lead plate on Delhi. You cannot dispose of lead in Germany because it affects brain. They have surveyed our area. There are villages in Delhi, 352 villages which are designated Lal Dora area, where no government rules apply. Germans are dumping lead plate in Delhi, free transport, free supply, free issue. Some of our friends put up a unit in Lal Dora area. They melted the lead and sold it in the market. But from pollution, our children are dying. Please tell me, from Europe, 15,000 kilometers away from India, why broken mobile TV computer are being dumped in Ghaziabad? Is it our country or a dumping ground? Sir, China does not permit. Pakistan does not permit. Bangladesh does not permit. We have no thinking of the generations of Indians not yet born. What type of air they will breathe? What type of water they will drink? Ground reality, we have done nothing, sir. We are talking on air all the time. Come with me. Cancer is increasing day by day in my country. Why? Because of these towers, radiation towers, there are no rules and regulation of any kind whatsoever. We have to put lower radiation towers. I went to these tower people. They told me, Sharma ji, 10 tower, 30 security वाले, 30 ऑपरेटर, 10 जनरेटर. सर सबकी छुट्टी करके एक टावर लगा दी. You are forced to tolerate 1,000 times more radiation.
What is the solution, sir?
Solution is strict rules and regulations. How can we allow like this? You come to Sarita Vihar, every second house there is a cancer patient. There are documented cases from Jaipur and Bombay. Since we have put up this tower, 6 people have died of cancer. We don't have any rules. I went to Ravi Shankar Prasad. I have got 500 pages from Germany on radiation. I have done M.Tech from England in nuclear. He told me, you come and meet me in person. Arey, is my son getting married that I should come to Ravi Shankar Prasad in person? I am showing it for the public. He doesn't know ABCD of what is radiation effect, and they are the minister in my country. Sir, we should please tell me, 70 years of independence, why 40% illiterate of the world live in India? Why 55% malnutrition children of the world live in India? Because we haven't done anything. There was Russian Revolution, Communist Party passed a diktat, each one teach one. Why? After 70 years, 40% illiterate of the world live in India. 55% malnutrition children. Sir, a human being will be born from the mother's womb. In India, 52% female are anemic. I live in Gurgaon. We started an anemic clinic in Fortis Hospital. Dr. Rakesh Bhargav is in charge. It is coming as a shock from my heart to you. 76% girls in Gurgaon are anemic. If the mother is not in good health, how will we get healthy next generation of Indians? Nobody wants to listen to me. Nobody wants to talk to me. Latur, Marathwada, Maharashtra, owner of 100-acre land, he is closing his house and going away. They asked him, where you are going? Sir, I will sweep the floor of the sugar mill. Why?
So what is your one last message for the public that everyone can do, not just like the government but the residents and the common people?
Sir, only single message is please plant trees. We will not survive otherwise. We have
Awesome.
destroyed, it is awesome. We need 120 crore people, we need 120 crore trees. Without trees, we will not exist on this earth. This is my last message to
सर
all of
हिंदी
you.
में भी बोल दीजिए लास्ट
सर,
मैसेज।
हमारा पेड़ लगाने हैं, जो हमारी समस्या क्या है। आप कल का मैसेज सुनिए। इंग्लैंड से मैसेज आया है कि हमने पूरे दिन 1 किलो कोयला यूज नहीं किया बिजली बनाने के लिए। बिजली बनाई है हवा से, पानी से और सोलर से। हमारे देश में आज भी 76% बिजली कोयले से बनती है। जब तक CO2 का लेवल कम नहीं होगा, हमारी लाइफ खराब होती जाएगी, अच्छी नहीं होगी। इस टाइप का हमें काम करना है। सोलर पे बहुत कंसंट्रेट करना है। जो 2 मेन चीज है, 2.5M, 2 में ताइवानी टेक्नोलॉजी आपसे शेयर कर
सर
रहा हूँ।
डंपिंग ग्राउंड्स का क्या करें? जो आपने बताया है कि जर्मनी और अमेरिकन हमारे यहाँ पे डंपिंग ग्राउंड्स बना रहे हैं, व्हाट कैन वी डू अबाउट दैट?
वो तो गवर्नमेंट को आगे आना है। हमारे दिमाग में डाल दिया है कि जी प्लास्टिक की बोतल से धागा बन जाएगा, धागा से इंडस्ट्री जॉब। अटर नॉनसेंस। पीसी बोर्ड आएगा तो उससे सोना निकल जाएगा। अरे भैया, अपने घर में निकाल ले सोना। अनलेस स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स आर मेड, वी विल कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस। कोई हमारे पास नहीं है। पूरे देशों को जाके बोलो वी मस्ट हैंग टुगेदर, अदरवाइज वी हैंग सेपरेटली। मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। आज मेरी बात कोई सुनता नहीं है। मैं आपको ग्राउंड रियलिटी बता रहा हूँ। 100 किलो सब्जी की जगह बहन जी 30 किलो सब्जी पैदा होगी। किस किस को खिलाओगे? 3.5 फुट समुद्र लेवल बढ़ेगा। लाखों लाख केरल के लोगों को कहाँ बसाओगे? जब आग लगेगी, जब कुआं खोदोगे। हवा की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आर्टिक की बर्फ पिघल चुकी। ये मैं कह रहा हूँ।
And how old are you, sir?
I am 80 year old.
Okay, and what is your profession now?
I am only social work. मैं जाता हूँ, बिल फाइल करता हूँ, बताता हूँ लोगों को, और
That's
कुछ नहीं
great.
करता। जो हमारी 3 बड़ी कठिनाइयाँ हैं यंग मैन की, मैनू की, तैनू की, सानू की, मुझे आप लोगों को इससे निकालना है। मुझे क्या, तुम्हें क्या, हमें क्या, गवर्नमेंट का काम है। ये मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है।
Very
मैं
good.
इसीलिए मैनू
Sir,
की,
I'm very
तैनू
inspired by you and your work, and this message will surely go viral on YouTube. Thank you, sir. Thank you.